Hey everybody, it's John Thomas. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. I thought it would be fun today to show you around the hotel, give you a room tour, and show you a little bit about why I feel like this hotel is super impressive here in China. I'm already enjoying the amenities. I am completely sunburned. I don't know, it's calmed down a little bit. Why it's on the places that I can reach the easiest, I do not know. I also, center of my back, completely burned, can't reach that on my own. Needless to say, I'm using the amenities here at the hotel. So if you're interested in checking out this hotel here in Sanya, Hainan province in China, then stick around for the rest of the video. Alright, thanks for sticking around. I've got a huge tour to show you guys, and I couldn't be more happy to show you around the room that they upgraded me to, as well as the grounds that this hotel is on. I am staying at the JW Marriott here in Sanya, and it's the renovated one. There's two, so I'm in the newer one. I think it was a previous hotel called the Belgonia, and now it's this JW Marriott. It's linked with the Sheraton and the Grand Hyatt on one side, and then the Atlantis Resort and the Edition Resort at the other side. So I'm right in the middle of some great hotels and great shopping and all sorts of stuff. So let's get right into it. Let me send you off on a tour of this hotel. Hey everybody, welcome to my room at the JW Marriott here in Sanya. It is very echoey in here as these rooms are quite large, and so I apologize in advance if you hear a lot of echoing. So I just got out of the pool, and I wanted to make sure you guys got a tour while there was still sunlight out. I've been in the pool for the last 3 hours. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough. So this is the entryway here. You can see I've got a little stool to sit on there, and then there's a door to another room, and then there's the front door here. And then you walk into the grand room. It is the dining room right here, and the living room. You can also see that it's got a huge TV here with the Bose surround sound. You can see I've enjoyed some wine last night that came with my room. Thank you, JW Marriott, for that. Huge TV, and then a desk here. and an enormous fruit plate. I had a couple of grapes. They didn't fall off or anything. So that's awesome. And then they gave me this cool welcome gift. Here, it's a Hermes. Can you see that? Yeah. It's a Hermes? I don't know how you say it. And it's like a whole kit. So nice of them to do that for me. So, great living room. This works out really great. So, this is the living room, dining room. This is the guest bathroom. So nice. I don't plan on having any guests, but nice to know there's a bathroom there. And then you come in here and it is the master bedroom. So this is the whole room, which is, it's huge. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but like it's enormous. So cool. And then you walk through here to the master closet. So it's got shelving up here, and then you've got the safe, an umbrella. It's supposed to rain. This is my workout shirt. It's so humid here and dry. It's so humid here and wet that I felt like I needed to hang my shirt, especially after I sweat in it. And then you can hang more clothes up here. So overall pretty awesome. And then this bathroom. Got like a tub here. Sorry, that's my swimsuit I wore last night when I went in the pool when I got here. Bathroom, shower. I mean, this is like huge. I'm in the center of this bathroom. It's enormous. Crazy. There's a patio door here that leads to a patio that you could just stand there if you want. And then in the closet there's another door to the outside. So I really like all the natural light that it gives, like the closet and the bathroom. And then out here is another patio. You can stand here. Let's go outside. Like that's a public pool here. Nobody's in there. Oh, it's getting all foggy. Damn humidity. Let's get back inside. Will it go away? Oh yeah, that's quick. You can tell how humid it is here. All right. And then the piece de resistance, the backyard. Okay, it's gonna get foggy. I don't know how this is gonna work. But you walk out here and there's got like a little seating area. Ignore the beers. Had a couple beers today. I'm on vacation, it's okay. It's getting a little cloudy. Come on. Looks like I have like the romantic filter on. Hold on. Okay, so here we go. Private pool. This is where I've been the last 3 hours. I have been just hanging out in the pool. It's been so awesome to just relax. So, yeah, private pool. It's got another little seating area here off the living room. I was on that little floaty all day. I get to spend the next 4 days here. Don't be too jealous. Can't even believe it myself, actually. All right, let's go back inside. So they upgraded me to this room, which is really, really nice. And I thank you, JW Marriott Sanya. I don't know if you'll ever see this, but this is fantastic. The whole resort area is great. You will see that. I will take you there in this video. You can stay anywhere you want, but I would absolutely recommend Haitong Bay. This is where I've stayed. Before I stayed somewhere far away at the Mandarin Oriental, with beautiful hotel, amazing place, super secluded, and no real beach you could hang out on. You saw from yesterday's video, you saw the beach, so I think that that's just something that is fun, just to take a walk along the beach, and you couldn't necessarily do that as much in where I stayed before. So this place, top notch.